Hi friends, my name is Mehtab Ali Gurjez. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 amazing facts you never knew before. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, 786 UPTV. Let's begin the video. The Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon with the naked eye, contrary to popular belief. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the expansion of the iron when it's hot. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. In botanical terms, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary, and bananas fit this definition. Cows have best friends and can become stressed when they are separated from them. Wombat poop is cube-shaped, which helps it stay in place and mark its territory on rocks and logs. Humans and giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae, 7. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896, lasting only 38 minutes. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. It's classified as a cold desert due to its low precipitation. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.